physically kick my own ass, try a wilderness survival skill to see how I perform under that fatigue. So I want to be a beacon of inspiration for you. I want to use my information that I've had over the decade of teaching personal training and wilderness survival, bring them together so you're actually prepared. I don't want anyone going out there with the ignorance, hey, I know I'm super out of shape, but I can handle it all. No, you can't. Your body's going to fail you well before your mind. I don't want that for you. But it's survival games. You go on the website, 13 new events ready for you to take a look at, and you choose which ones you want to see stick around. One of them is survival games. So to give you a taste of it, and to help you physically, I'm going to step out of just survival mode and incorporate some of my personal trainer knowledge to bring them together. Because in my opinion, if you're not fit, you're not ready to survive in any sort of hostile situation. You could be the best shooter in the world. If you can't run and gun, you're done. If you can't run half a mile before like passing out or calling paramedics, you're done. So instead of shaming you, I'm going to step in, do some survival games myself, and do a little bit of coaching along the way so you know what's going on physiologically, kinesiologically, what's going on with your body, all right, and psychologically and mentally. What I'll be doing is taking little bits of stuff from last year's survival games, the Primal Man Project and Women of the Woods, and bringing it into survival games, where essentially you get to learn wilderness skills through games, challenges, competitions, obstacle courses. It's not sit down, lecture, here's a dry erase board, look, you did it, great, here's your shirt, you're awesome, you can survive indefinitely, give me your money, goodbye. No. Hands-on, involved, I want you having fun, and I want you to stretch your mind and body by doing these obstacle courses, challenging the other team, maybe a red team versus blue team or green team. It's fun, it's challenging, you're getting all the training physically and mentally that you need without the whole dread, right? The dread's gonna come if you're in a survival situation. But if you can push yourself to new limits while competing, man, that's super fun. And you get to learn your new limits. You're having fun, competing, get your best friend so you can talk a little trash later. We just go harder and we discover more things about ourselves. So that's part of survival games. What will survival games videos be? I'm going to challenge myself. I'm going to take all the things that I've done in the wilderness that I know can be done or may need to be done and turn it into an exercise program. Basically, I'll kick my own ass during a workout and then immediately go into some sort of survival skill. Maybe it's I sit in ice cold water for 10 minutes and then see if I can make a friction fire or navigate because my brain's freaking frozen. Can I make rational decisions? Yet I'm open to your ideas because I'm going to run out of them real quickly.